Hi guys, here we have we're back with Horse Academy. Um, um, Basically I got to do a few more challenges, like level up a horse. Let me first say that I am proud that you have put yourself out there. Is to make more than. Oh, thank you. J. Lou is typing. Oh yeah, yeah. Um, um I'm just doing this for J. Lou because. Also, oh. No, what's it called? What's it called? Horse Academy. I don't know spell it. Also, leaving comments and likes on other people's videos will help people want to do the same to you. Promote other people's and encounter the Lord. No way. I am Andrew Paul Clifford as well. Can you add me on Andrew Paul Clifford, please, J. Lou. Right. Getting back to this. Oh, hang on. Hey, do you know any games apart from Dragon City from Social Point? Just look at there. I am watching it right now. I love it. Your voice is so bright and inviting, and that is what people look for. Thanks. So can you add me on Clifford? Okay. Okay. Right, we've just had a little chat with J. Lou. Here we see Blizzard and how that he has changed immaculately because his stats gone up. Let's try and train him with the gallop along the beach helps to improve stamina. We want that one. So guys, I was thinking of maybe racing Blizzard a little bit, maybe getting a bit more money rolling in. and maybe getting a nice bird for him to mate with. Leave your suggestions at the bottom of the liking page. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Alright? Right, so now we're going to try and race him. Oh, let's make him happy first. And feed him. Right, let's race. Let's just hope he does well. Just gotta wait for a few people to come. Also, if you wanted me to try any other games, just leave some comments below, and I'll try and get back to you. Well, I probably will get back to you. In the Dragon City, I'll probably do a update maybe tomorrow or tonight, maybe, or later on today. Oh, so I reckon Blizzard might need to have a bit of a jumping boost. Yeah. Maybe more speed as well, I reckon. If you disagree, please leave some comments below. Feel free to subscribe, because I'm new at this kind of thing, and it was thanks to JLou. She inspired me to make YouTube videos on games. So thank you, JLou. Thank you very much, actually. Thanks for inspiring me to make YouTube videos. Also, I will try and make a nice cover picture collage thing for the videos. Right, so I'm gonna put Blizzard in a bit of training. Oh, wrong one. Just get that up. Okay. Hang on, just gotta refresh. Right, so here's the task we need to do. We gotta try and level up my horse to level 5. Set a talent. Let's have a look. Stats, talents. No, he hasn't got any as yet. Train. Cross country. A cross country gallop. Let's do that one. Right. I think I might end this video here. Thanks for watching. Please leave some comments below. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.